First thing first is to cornrow the hair, and this can be done in two ways. You can either cornrow like two single straight cornrow from the front to the back, or you can cornrow it this way. I do have a detailed tutorial on how to cornrow both the French cornrow, that's Didi. We also call French cornrow here in Nigeria, we call it Didi or patewo. So I have a video on that. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, and I also have the normal cornrow, how to cornrow the normal way. I'm also going to leave the link in the description box below. For this particular cornrow, I'm not cornrolling it too tight just because of the install. I do not want her to feel like pins in between, that's the middle part, so I don't want her to feel pins. So while cornrolling, I'm connecting all the tips to each other, that's I connect to the neck, and also I'm adding little extensions so that the weave can withstand the pressure of needle and thread. Again, for the cornrow not to loosen after I finish installing the hair. This cornrow is just a simple cornrow, nothing special, nothing serious, just all back cornrow. Right now I'm just using needle and thread to hide the last tip. After that, we'll go ahead to tie a knot and then use scissors to cut off the remaining or excess thread. To start off the sewing, you want to attach the weave to the needle before pushing the needle in out of the cornrow at the back. This will help secure the first stitching to the cornrow. For this sewing, I'm using a synthetic hair, and I'm starting from the very back of her head. I'm starting underneath the cornrow to install, just so that when she flip it over, like try to style it in any way, she can be able to achieve that. Then we'll just continue sewing like so, or stitching like so, just underneath the cornrow. Then when I get to the end of a particular line, we'll flip it over to the next line and continue to sew. This is called turning over method or folding over method, depends on what you guys call it. So yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Hope everyone is doing fine today. Hope we're staying safe. Thank you for always tuning in anytime I upload a new video. You guys are all welcome. If you are new here, just go ahead to click the subscribe button to join the family. It's actually free. Share the video to friends and family. Give this video a big thumbs up. Like the video. Just click on the like button to like the video. Share the video, like I said before, to friends and family. I also want to see your comments in the comment section below.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you in my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
So gradually like that, we'll just be sewing in until I get to the third line. For the third line, we just sew it straight to the front and then flip it over from there. So that will be like the first weave that will go to the front. So when I get there, we'll flip it over from there. And remember that this is the center pattern. So what I do to side A, I will also do it to side B. And since it's a center part hairstyle, I'm curving the sewing line. So I'm curving it to form like a U shape, so that I'll get like a good closing. I know this video is a bit long. This is because I do want you guys to see and learn properly, just for you guys to learn a proper way of sewing in weave. So I decided not to skip or do anything to any of the clip. So the only thing I'm just doing is just to fast forward this so that you guys don't get bored, and I advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step. Also, do me a favor by sharing the video to friends and family. Give the video a big thumbs up. Just hit or click on the like button to give it a big thumbs up. Turn on your notification button so that you don't get to miss it anytime I upload a new video. This actually encourages us to keep on filming more detailed videos and more content for you guys.
like that? Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
Now once I start noticing that the U shape or the weaves are getting or becoming more closer to each other, we'll just take the weave to the starting point. That's the weave I'm actually stitching. I'll take you to the starting point of the first cornrow and then flip it from there. So when I get to the starting point, we'll flip it from there to the next line and continue to stitch or sew in the weave. By filming, I noticed that this part of the installation or this part of the closing, I didn't really get, it was looking blurry after I finished filming it. On my system it was looking blurry, so I will just skip this part so that you can watch the other side, because the other side is more clearer. So yeah, just watch. So what I'm really doing is just to flip the weave when I get to the starting point of a particular cornrow. We'll flip it over to the next line and then continue to sew in. So I'm sewing on each cornrow. So that's what I'm doing, just sewing on each cornrow. And when I feel that she will feel pains, we'll just use the back of the needle to, we'll just use the back of the needle to stitch. Okay, for the installation there are two different ways, or the closing there are two different ways to achieve it. I also have a second video on that, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box. You can either do it this way or cut each piece of the weave. When you get to the end of the when you get to the beginning part of the cornrow, you just cut the weave and place it on the next line instead of turning it over. So yeah, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. We'll just continue to install the hair like so. If you would like me to film this same look using a human hair, because human hair weaves, feels and looks different from synthetic hairs, so you can leave a comment in the comment section below. Okay, now at this point we'll just allow you to watch the video because the video is self-explanatory.
I'm just saying, I can't ignore you. I'm not playing. Might mess up and fall for you. I'm nervous that it's on you. You don't even know. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's saying I can't ignore you. I'm not playing. Might mess up and fall for you.
Now that I'm done, I'm just using a comb to just comb the hair to smoothen all the rough edges or the tangling of the hair. And you can either use a brush or use a comb depending on the one you are comfortable with. And then now I'm just trimming off excess hair using scissors to do so. After that, we just go ahead to apply Weave-On cream to the hair just to add moisture or to add up little shine to the hair. Okay, now here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching the video from beginning to the end. Hope it's helpful. Do not forget to share to friends and family. Give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below and share this video to friends and family. Don't also forget to on your notification button. Just turn it on so that you don't miss it anytime I upload a new video. Stay blessed and stay safe. We'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.